Hello students, Triveni Public School welcomes you all. I am Shilpa, I'll handle science for grade 5. In my last session, we have started with circulatory system and we have covered some topics in my last session. Which are those topics we have covered? They are like circulatory system and its function, three parts of circulatory system, that is heart, blood and blood vessels. And then we have started with heart, its structure and function. Okay, and this class we are going to discuss about how to keep our heart healthy. Is it important to keep our heart healthy? Yes. Why it is important to keep our heart healthy? Because for our body to function properly, if we need our body to function properly, we have to keep our heart healthy. By which are the ways we have to keep our heart healthy? The ways like walk daily for at least 3 to 4 kilometers in the morning. We have to walk 3 to 4 kilometers in the morning. And then exercise for at least 30 minutes every day. And try to exercise in the morning itself. Okay. And then tell your parents to not to use vehicles to drop you to the school if it is a short distance away. Okay, if it is a short distance, you can use cycle or you can come by walk. Got it? Next, avoid sitting for too long. Take regular intervals of time. Take a short walk. Go for the short walk. And then you can continue with sitting position. Okay. And next, actively participate in outdoor sports like football, cricket, hockey, kabaddi, kho like that. You should actively participate so that it is also kind of exercise which helps you to keep your heart healthy. And always eat balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? I think you all learnt in your lower classes. Balanced diet means a diet which consists of all the nutrients in a equal amount so that our body which gets all the nutrients properly and time to time. And next, try to eat less junk food and fried food. Why? Because these junk and fried food which consists of more amount of carbohydrates which help you to gain weight, okay, and that leads to the heart related diseases. So that's why avoid eating more junk and fried food. And next, stay away from polluted surroundings. Got it? And next, stay happy and avoid stress. By these are the ways you can keep your heart healthy. Apart from these ways, yoga is also a kind of exercise which keep our heart healthy, and it also improve the blood circulation. Regular practice of yoga improves the overall fitness of the body. So there are some benefits of yoga. We'll see now. The first one is it increases muscle strength and improves the function of lungs. Okay. And next is it helps in decreasing the stress, anxiety, and which will gives you the feeling of well-being. If you are practicing yoga, you're all experienced with this. Further, it boosts your energy, improves memory, and it increases the concentration and attention. So while you are doing yoga exercises, you have to concentrate on exercise. So automatically, which improves your memory and attention. Next is it helps in reducing weight and prevents high blood pressure and high blood sugar level, and it helps in relieving joint pain in elderly persons. That means the aged persons, they are usually suffering from joint pain. If they are practicing yoga exercises which may help them to relieving pain. And there are some yoga exercises, so they helps in improving the health of heart. Which are those? That is Tadasana, that is mountain pose, Vrikshasana, tree pose, Trikonasana, triangle pose, and Dhanurasana, that is bow pose. So these are the exercises which helps in improving our health of heart. And next is yoga may also combine with meditation. Yoga is also combined with meditation. So meditation helps to clear the mind of all negative thoughts, which helps in clearing the all negative thoughts, and thus which reduces the stress also. And next, deep breathing exercises also help in improving the function of lungs and circulation of blood. Some of the breathing exercises are there which helps in improving the function of lungs and circulation of blood. Yoga exercises should always be done under the guidance of an expert or a trained yoga teacher. Understood? So this is about the yoga exercise to keep our heart healthy. And these are the ways to keep our heart healthy. So now we are moving to the second part of the circulatory system, that is blood. Okay, what is blood? Blood, here you can see in this picture, this is a picture of blood. It's look like this. Okay, so blood is a substance that flows inside the human body through the muscular tubes called as blood vessels. So that means blood which flows inside the blood vessels. So we know that blood is pumped by the heart to the different parts of the body. Blood is pumped by the heart to the different parts of the body. And we know the function of heart is to pumping the blood. Right now. So the blood is pumped by the heart. So next is, we know that blood is a primarily responsible for transportation of nutrients, water, oxygen and carbon dioxide. This is the main responsibility of the blood, which helps in transporting nutrients, water, oxygen and carbon dioxide within our body. So next we'll discuss about the functions of blood. So there are mainly 5 functions are there. The first one is blood helps in transporting oxygen and the carbon dioxide throughout the body. How it will transport? The blood which consists of cells. There are 2 types of cells are present, that is red blood cells and white blood cells. Okay, so these red blood cells present in the blood which transport the oxygen from the lungs to the different parts of the body, and it also collects the carbon dioxide from the different parts of the body to the lungs for purification purpose. And second function is blood carries the nutrients which are generated during the digestion and from the different parts of the digestive system to the cells of the body. That means blood carries the nutrients which were already generated from the digestion, and it will sends to the all part of our body. And next is blood helps in carrying waste generated by the cells of the body. So blood which collects the waste which were produced in our each and every cell, and it will transport to the kidney for filtering purpose. Okay, the first one is blood helps in transporting the oxygen and carbon dioxide. The second one is it will helps in transporting the nutrients, and the third one is which helps in transporting the waste materials to the kidney for filtering purpose. And fourth point is blood helps in maintaining the body temperature. It will helps in maintaining the body temperature, and that means it will prevent the body from becoming too hot or too cold. Got it? And next is the white blood cells. As I have already told that blood which consists of two types of cells, that is red blood cells and white blood cells. Okay, so these white blood cells are helps in preventing the infections and disease causing organisms. That means it will protect our body from infections and disease causing organisms. So this is about the blood functions. So in this class we have learnt about how to keep our heart healthy, yoga exercise for a healthy heart, about blood and its function. In my next class we are discussing about blood vessels and the types of blood vessels. Okay, stay home, stay safe. Thank you all.